Hey, Dr. Ray here, Chiropractic Plus. Hey, did you realize that autoimmune problems, the body attacking itself, is pretty much a gut issue? Did you know that? Rheumatoid arthritis, all the family of the rheumatoid arthritis, most diabetes situations. In fact, all the autoimmune things are finding more and more, all conditions are tied directly to the gut and autoimmune problems. So that's where the immune system is attacking itself. So we're going to talk about how to solve this dilemma by coming to the seminar October the 9th at 6:30 p.m. We're going to be addressing those autoimmune issues and gut issues that's going to solve those problems. So make sure you get your ticket October the 9th, 6:30 p.m. Get one for you, your loved ones, and everybody. We're going to customize this program based upon your responses. So if autoimmunity is one of your big issues, make sure you make note of that, and we'll tie that together in the seminar. So make sure you get the ticket, fill out your questionnaire, and we're going to rock your world. It's called a FSA, by the way, not a flexible spending, it's a functional systems analysis. I didn't come up with the name. Take care.